What you guys doing? Hey! Shut the hell up, man. Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up, bitch.
No. Oh, what up, nigga? What's up, guy? Ah! What's up? No, bro, I got my camera. No, I got my.
What'd you say, Mike?
I'm sorry.
Ah, kiss my kiss.
He's a little girl. You're gonna fall. There you are. Oh, my ankle hurts. My foot hurts.
Are you really a YouTuber?
Yeah, I really am.
Let me see. What you think? What you think on YouTube?
Nothing. I just started it yesterday.
What's your thing? What's your name?
Jairo Garcia. So tired.
I'm not good, Heido. I'm not good.
Why are you guys on your guys' phone?
Well, you're on your phone.
Because I'm recording, dude. I'm not on my phone.
Yeah, you are. If
I'm
you're
vlogging.
You're
They're doing something.
not vlogging. You're on your camera.
Yeah, but I posted on YouTube. What is that called? Vlogging. Duh.
It's just called posting videos of yourself.
Hey, where you going? Where you going, Vato?
Outside to smoke?
Oh, you smoke? You smoke? It's not healthy for your lungs, sir.
Yeah.
This is a boring blog. Oh, this is gonna be a boring blog.
Shut up.
Dude,
Let's see, Jairo Garcia. Which one's you?
hey, you guys want to see my channel? Put the yelling vlog.
The what? Here.
The yelling vlog.
Get out of the snow. The what?
Yelling vlog. Ooh.
already.
Excuse me, Auntie.
I don't know. Record them?
Ooh, you guys got in
Why
trouble.
don't you plug it in and use it?
I just use this for my phone.
You're a dumbass.
No, I'm not.
It's supposed to be used a specific way.
No, sir, dude, because I'm a freaking vlogger.
Oh, you're a vlogger. You know this is what this is for, right? So you can hook it up and then vlog?
No.
I mean, if it doesn't work on your phone, then that's a whole different thing, but normally it should.
No. You just plug this in and take pictures. And
Yeah.
zoom in.
No, you can record with it too.
No.
I do it for Snapchat. I have a selfie.